Hello, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or hindi po 100% accurate para sa'yo. The energy is timeless. Pwedeng nangyari na, nangyayari ngayon, or mangyayari pa lang. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Leo. Tingnan natin kung ano mga paparating na energy at messages for you. Mga gabay at blessings for Leo. Oh, okay. Okay. For some of you, you are enjoying your finances, your success, no? Yeah, you are spending time, celebrating time with your family or family members. Yeah. You feel good, you are being compassionate kung ano yung mga kailangan ng mga tao na nasa paligid mo or with your family members or your friends. Okay? Yeah. When it comes to money, you are doing well, or kung meron kayong negosyo, your business is going well. There is a decision that you're going to make for some of you. Yeah, or you are doing multitask, no? Nagmumultitasking kayo, madami kayong ginagawa. It's like you don't know kung ano yung kailangan unahin, no? Pero kailangan ay work-life balance. Okay. Yeah, you have a lot of things to do. Marami kayong ginagawa or obligations or responsibility, Leo. Okay, at lahat ng ito ay inyong kinakaya for the sake of your family. Okay, for some of you, you are a provider or a major contributor sa inyong pamilya. Okay, yeah, for some of you, you are already stressed. If you need help, ask for help, okay, and accept assistance for some of you. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, may kailangan ng pahinga. But at the same time, may mga kailangan kang gawin. May mga goals kang dapat tapusin or abutin. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are gaining strength to say no. You are defending or protecting yourself or your well-being. Okay? Yeah. You are focusing sa trabaho mo. Okay? And yeah, you need to be determined, no, na matapos kung ano mga kailangan mong tapusin, magawa yung mga kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Yeah. The Fool. Okay, so you are bringing your dreams and wishes to reality. For some of you, you are manifesting your dreams. Meron kang kakayahan to do it, no? Makapag-decide ka kung gusto mo, kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Or some of you, you need a fresh start, no? Or a new phase para mag-uumpisa ka uli. Either sa work to, okay? You are making a decision about this. You are taking chances. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you need freedom to do what you really want. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, you are saying no to obstruction or distraction, no? Sa mga tao na nagbibigay sa inyo ng or nangiistorbo sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, you are defending, you are protecting yourself, you are protecting your energy. Okay? Because you want to focus kung ano mga kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you need to take action now. Do not procrastinate. Okay? Merong disalignment in your situation for some of you, or merong kaguluhan or dispute, disagreements, no? Yeah. And may mga kailangan kang desisyon na gagawin, may mga choices din na available for you. Okay? For some of you, you are going to make a complex or importante or mahirap na desisyon, no? Sa buhay mo. Okay? Yeah. So you are making change, no? Sa inyong buhay, most especially pagdating sa stability and security mo financially. Okay? A change is coming for some of you, no? May paparating na pagbabago sa inyong sistema, sa inyong sitwasyon, sa inyong mindset, or sa inyong prinsipyo na magbibigay sa inyo ng opportunity na makapag-secure ng isang stable na pamumuhay, na makapag-secure ng stability when it comes sa inyong kaperahan or sa inyong finances. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are saving up, okay, for your family. Nag-iimpok, no? And yeah, parang yung iba sa inyo, you are making a good no decision pagdating sa kaperahan. Pero this is for the greater good. Hindi lang naman ikaw, kundi para din to sa inyong pamilya, for some of you. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, this is merong distraction, something significant, kailangang mangyari, no? Distraction or gulo or chaos. Okay? And that you need to make some choices, no? A smart move for yourself, no? Yeah. To secure stability. Okay? When it comes also for your love life or relationship. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, merong separation na nangyari. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. So, magtiwala kayo sa inyong kakayahan, Leo. May paparating na abundance and prosperity sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? Merong financial gains, financial growth. No? And at the same time, yung iba sa inyo, you are managing your finances very well. Okay? Yeah. This is because of your hard work. That's why na-reach or na-gain mo yung ganitong estado, no? Kaayusan at kasaganahan sa pamumuhay. For some of you, you are single. Okay? Yeah. Queen and the Empress, yeah, merong improvement, no, sa inyong ginagawa, most especially sa business mo, kung meron kayong negosyo. Your business is going well. Merong paglago, merong pag-unlad, no? Yeah, this is maybe a creative venture or business venture or passion project na inyong ginagawa na ngayon ay namamayagpag, no? Merong pag-uunlad. Okay? Yeah. Yan. Okay. Yeah. So, kung ano man yung mga paghihirap ninyo dati, yung mga tiniis, yung mga difficulties or struggles na inyong pinagdaanan, that will be paid off. Okay? So, nasuklian ng kaayusan na pamumuhay ang inyong paghihirap dati. Okay? Yeah. Your hard work will be paid off, no? So, yeah. Merong kaayusan sa inyong sitwasyon. Nagkakaroon ng hustisya. Okay? Ang inyong buhay ngayon. Kung dati nahihirapan kayo, ngayon okay na. Mayroon ng kaluwagan sa inyong sitwasyon. Most especially when it comes to finances. Okay? Yeah. Your efforts, yung efforts nyo, for some of you are being recognized. Okay. For some of you, nag-worry kayo over something, pero sometimes parang nagiging nega lang kayo or nag-overthink lang kayo, no, sa isang sitwasyon. But actually, you are doing well sa inyong situation, no? Yeah. You deserve happiness for some of you, Leo. Okay? Yeah. Kung ano yung mga hindi nakakabuti or nakakatulong sa inyo, leave it, no? Focus on your direction, focus on your goal. Okay. For some of you, kailangan mo ibalik yung vitality at tiwala at confidence sa sarili. Yeah, you have to let go. Kung ano man to, yeah, for some of you, kung meron kayong pinagdadaanan over a relationship, okay, you have to let it go. Okay? Choose happiness, choose peace, no? Yeah. You need serenity in your life, most especially in your mind. Okay? Huwag kayong masyadong mag-worry. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, meron kayong mga sleepless nights. Okay? Parang in the middle of the night, nagigising kayo. Meron kayong mga pangamba. Okay? It's time for you to move forward. And let go mo yung mga past conflicts, no? For some of you, kung meron mang mga third party in the situation, okay? So, move forward. Hindi mo kailangan mag-dwell sa ganyang sitwasyon. Okay? Think about yourself. Think about your well-being, Leo. Okay, be courageous. Yeah, again. So, yeah, for those of you who are dealing a third party, merong betrayal, no? Merong paglilihim, no? Pagtatraidor na nangyari. Okay? You need to heal. You need to forgive yourself. You need to forgive others. You need to heal. You need some time to rest. For some of you, kailangan mo ipahinga ang iyong sarili, ang inyong isip. Okay? Yeah. Right? So, don't be too hard on yourself. Okay? Yeah. Think about yourself. Unahin mo muna ang iyong sarili, ang inyong kapakanan. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are thinking about how to grow your money. Okay? Kung paano mag-improve ang inyong finances, ang inyong sitwasyon. Yeah. Okay. You need to move forward. Hard work is needed. Action is needed for some of you. So you can get the justice na gusto mong mangyari. Hustisya, no? Sa inyong hard work. Yeah. That is for some of you. Okay? Merong support, merong blessings para sa inyo na darating. Just be patient. Okay? Let go of the negativities. Let go of the toxic people, toxic relationship, or negative attachment, no? Na hindi para sa inyo or na naapektuhan lang ang inyong well-being. And at the same time, naapektuhan kung ano talaga yung goal, yung dapat yung pagtuunan ng pansin. Okay? Yeah. Alright. Tingnan natin additional messages for Leo. Public face. Follow your heart. Become who you want to be. Earn a reputation. It's okay to be yourself. Okay? It's okay to be yourself. Follow kung anong sinasabi ng inyong puso. Okay? Become who you want to be. Earn a reputation. Social status. You will reach the heights of fame and society. Don't get arrogant. Yeah. Okay? Merong improvement sa inyong status for some of you. Okay? So, be humble. Stay grounded. Vacation. Start a perfect vacation and enjoy the freedom. Take time to recharge. Yes. For some of you, you need to recharge. You need to regroup, kumbaga. Okay? Bakasyon is kailangan ipahinga ang sarili at yung inyong not only mentally but also physically. Okay? Ano pa? Yeah, for some of you, you are waiting on someone. So, take time to heal. Focus on your well-being. Focus on yourself. Okay. 777. If you keep seeing the number 777, this is the message for you. Your purpose flows from within you, and everything that is unfolding or being revealed to you is part of your purpose. A state of peace and calmness in your soul. I am in the flow. Okay, so you are in the flow. Kailangan nyo ng peace of mind, no? And calmness, pagkalma. Okay, kalma lang. Alright? Ano pa? Spirit message for Leo. May mga purpose kung bakit nangyayari sa inyo yung mga nangyayari ngayon. Okay? Later on, you will realize that. Because you are meant for something better. Okay? Leo. Make sure you don't start seeing yourself through the eyes of those who don't value you. You need to know your worth even when others don't. You are not what people think of you. Okay? So, value yourself. Okay? Wag kang, don't be affected kung ano yung sinasabi or kung anong nakikita ng ibang tao sa'yo. Okay? As long as alam mo yung value mo, kung ano ka. Okay, Leo? That is for some of you. Okay? Know your worth. Okay? Ignore mo yung mga tao na hindi ka pina-value. Move on, move forward for some of you. They don't deserve you. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Leo. Maraming salamat. All the best. And see you on the next video. Bye!